go. Match 7. Gone! Oh, he's put it down. Can you believe it? I thought it was a spectacular catch. Top right-hand corner. It just... yards back. Lovely timing. Well, he got lucky with the first hit, Robbie. But I tell you what, that second ball. Up and over the offside. That's his favourite area. 4-4-6. Beautiful.
Watch how he held his post for the cameraman as well. Just stayed there for a little while.
Trust your swing.
4 runs down the fine leg. This is a wonderful start from Robbie Utapa, who's playing cricket all around the world. Beautiful. That's a thing of beauty. Once again, footwork is beautiful, timing, energy through the ball, and then just stroked it for 6.
But like I say, just everything there is in perfect high elbow. It's, you know, we talk about batsmanship and the techniques of the game. Sometimes it's forgotten about, the simple techniques.
Oh, it's the Virinder Sehwag uppercut. Got a chance earlier.
That is tremendous. That is tremendous batting from Robin. And look at that for a shot. Wow.
Gone! Clean them up! Captain v captain, and Fahim Ashraf delivers for Pakistan.
Asif breakthrough, knocks him over, clean as a whistle. India lose their first wicket.
Beautiful timing. Good pitch. Fantastic batters. Well, that's just flogged into the leg side. It's an inviting boundary. It's only 40-odd yards. Oh, flickage. Straight to the man! Abhishek Junjawala, he said they're clever. That was not.
It's a very high standard. Out for 8 of 3. 41 for 2.
Full toss in the gap. Boundary. Eventful over. 18 off it. 2 wickets though. 45 for 2. Leg byes, 4 leg byes. I'm sure it was just off the hip. No runs given.
Yeah, I thought came out the high path.
Beautiful hits. Wonderful strike. Over the cameraman, bringing you these wonderful shots.
There's that slower off pace, but as you can see, the surface is so true, it doesn't really hold up. Swing through with the bat, and it's all she wrote.
Tremendous shot from Bharat Chipley. Held his pose.
Flogged. 6 more. I'm not sure burning a second over of a bowler's spell so early.
One who's given himself the second over. But yeah, it's an interesting ploy. Again, we haven't seen any spin from Pakistan so far.
Chipley, very strong hitter of that length. So you got to...
There's the Yorker. Flicked for a lovely boundary. 6-6-4. We did see Asif Ali bowl the 6th over. I'll be there with you. Pumped. Powerful. 4.
Brilliant. Just brilliant from Bharat Chipley. Quickly on the 26th of just 8.
Close. Top edge. That's going to go all the way for another 6. He loves his photography and has given the cameraman here and the photographers plenty of opportunities to snap it. What a blow. 50 up for Fahim Ashraf. 4 done, 85 for 2. The St. Talat starts with his off cutter. Gets the gap, gets a boundary. Good. Another slow ball. Well, that's a short arm straight jab for 6 into the hospitality tent.
Just holding the pose, trusting the swing, manhandling it over the boundary for 6.
Just the way he delayed his shot.
He bowled the 6th over. That's pumped for a boundary. Picked up 2 wickets. Asif Ali in the first game. It is gentle off spin though, so opportunity here, Campbell. In the gap, just about gets the gap. Nicely bowled, nicely played. 50, wonderful 50 from Bharat Chipley with 3 balls to make a dent. That's going to be flicked away, leg side, little under edge, and Binny all over it. So 118 for 2, albeit a very good score. Pakistan still got a good chance here. Well, pumped away to the leg side. India will finish with a very respectable 119 for 2 from their 6.
And Fahim, slightly expensive, going over 25, but that excellent over from Talat brought them back at the end.
You're being generous there to your old mate Stuart Binney by calling him a fast bowler. Medium pace. So the bat, that will be the first boundary of the chase here. I reckon this is going to be
the only bowler. Oh, that's a big shot. That's what they needed. The 6 is
a slower ball, off pace, and that was first ball he'd bowled. That was probably on pace.
Well, I don't think he got anywhere near the middle of the bat, but it doesn't matter. Hits it into the trees. Second 6 of the over.
Length. The wicket is so pure here. Trusts his swing of the bat, and that goes way, way back.
What is going on here? pumped. It got what it deserved.
We like unique. That's what cricket's about. Everyone can do their own thing.
That's better. That's a normal action. It's gone for another one. Round arm, normal action, 6.
Singh was better. Oh no, back-to-back sixes. Look at that. Just a little shimmy down the track. Yeah, that's going to be the challenge for India. The bowling. They've got runs on board
in the tournament for Asif Ali. He's hit his first 4 of the tournament. Boo-hoo. Pakistan. India under pressure. More. It's a buffet. Help yourself. 6 more.
Absolute carnage. Absolute carnage.
Yeah, that's just sitting back and waiting. Yeah, that's just sitting back.
And spin. Left arm tweaker. More the same. Right arm, left arm, 6 runs. Something different. Got to try something different here, India. It's not working.
Watching the ball, knowing they can get it over the rope, no problem. Pakistan on top.
Nadeem. Again going for that Yorker. Nicely played. This time he's going to pick up a boundary.
Such a fine line.
Oh, that's really poor bowling. It's down leg side. It's another 6 runs. Over extra cover. Easy as you like.
Well, just backing them for their skill set. Let's over cover, if you don't mind. It's not a massive flow of the bat.
Clubbed. 6.
Excellent. The batting has been.
It has been. I'm glad we got those nets.
Yeah. That's going to be 4 down to fine leg, right in front of us here. 18 off the over. Shabazz into the attack and smashed down the ground. Asif Ali moves to 49. There you go, Ryan Campbell. Game management, you said. Get to 49, hit a 6.
It's a simple game. A good mathematician will always work it out.
And a couple of 4s to his name as well. And made this chase look very easy. But there's a lot to think for Robin Uthappa and his men.
Pick up a wicket. No ball. It's a no ball. And it's a boundary. Spinner. Well, down the ground. Gets plenty of it. He's a fine cricketer. The captain of Pakistan.
Again, they've just got so much faith in their swing. They know they're going to clear the rope whenever they want to. It's almost...
Hit powerfully, hit flat, hit for 6. Just 5 to win now.
Absolutely battered here.
Well, Shabazz now has the unwanted numbers of a 50. Go. There it is. What a comprehensive hammering. Onto the balcony. Pakistan winning by 6 wickets.